Hi, my name is Joss Kang and I'm the Project Manager of MSET. The Education and Training Foundation have commissioned MSET to develop the content for two new Level 5 modules. These modules are called Developing Subject Pedagogy and Understanding, GCSE English Language and GCSE Mathematics. The modules support the 2015 GCSE English Language and Mathematics specifications. Learners studying these subjects in the education and training sector need support from a confident, knowledgeable and highly skilled workforce. These new modules have been designed to support practitioners' professional development and initial training. These modules are important because GCSE English and Maths teachers in post-16 settings have to break the mould, particularly for young adults who have previously failed to achieve a good pass in their GCSEs at school. These young adults often arrive in organisations feeling demotivated and incapable of passing. One of our expert panel reviewers noted that the module will give the tutors the skills, knowledge and confidence to develop innovative and engaging approaches to teaching, learning and assessment, enabling learner failure to transform to learner success. GCSE Maths and English teachers need to engage learners in a variety of ways. This could be by using learners' interests and ambitions as starting points for study and for developing an understanding of English and Maths. Or it could be by understanding and implementing work on changing mindsets and developing resilience in ways that are appropriate to the post-16 sector. Both modules are based on the following principles that research show will lead to more effective teaching and learning. GCSE English and Maths teachers need to capture what learners bring to their studies by using a variety of assessment methods, identifying strengths and areas for development. Actively involve learners in the process of assessment and target setting, and then use this information to promote learners' confidence that the course is relevant to their goals and will meet their needs. Each element of a GCSE Maths and English reset course needs to be worth its weight in gold, teaching areas that learners have the most problems with, building on their prior knowledge, interests and values. Teachers in this module will be encouraged to facilitate active learning in which learners engage in discussing and explaining ideas, challenging and teaching one another, creating and solving each other's questions, working collaboratively to share methods and results. These modules will explore and model more connected and challenging teaching methods. As well as outlining learning objectives and assessment criteria, the modules include indicative content and suggest resources to help organisations to develop in-house purposeful training programmes. The modules are also mapped to the professional standards. Organisations can use the modules flexibly to help develop and build their workforce's capacity and capability to deliver GCSEs. For example, one pilot centre is planning to use the module with staff who've already undertaken the Maths Enhancement programme and are now ready to move on. Another is using the modules to develop short, in-house CPD courses which will be delivered by those staff who are confident in teaching GCSE. Another pilot centre is exploring the option of an accredited route. The modules will provide your organisation with a way of upskilling your workforce for GCSE teaching, learning and assessment. We developed some pilot sessions using the modules. Here is what some of the teachers and trainees told us. We hope you find the modules as useful as they did.